Have you ever noticed? In the past, you could read a book quietly for an hour. But now, after reading text for just 5 minutes, you can't help but want to pick up your phone. You think you've become lazy. But the truth may be, your brain has already become used to another way of receiving rewards. Every day, you open your phone, watch videos, check messages, browse all kinds of information. You may think, this is just simple entertainment. But your brain is secretly learning one thing: how to get pleasure quickly. A 15-second video immediately gives you new stimulation. A like immediately gives you feedback. A new message immediately grabs your attention. Your brain will slowly form a habit, only liking things that are fast, constantly changing, and able to provide immediate results. This is why many people experience this situation. They clearly know that learning is important. They clearly know that exercise is good for their health. They clearly know they should improve themselves. But when it's time to take action, their brain tells them, wait, just scroll for 5 more minutes. Then 5 minutes becomes half an hour. Half an hour becomes several hours. Where's the problem? It's not that your self-control is too weak. It's that your brain is adapting to an environment of instant rewards. The brain naturally prefers simple things. It will not actively choose difficulty. It only looks for easier, faster, and choices that can provide satisfaction more quickly. But the good news is, the brain can be retrained. The following method can help you slowly regain your ability to focus. Stage 1: Reduce stimulation. Many people get the first step wrong. They think, I need to become disciplined immediately. Then they force themselves to study for several hours. The result is that they give up after only 2 days, because your brain is not ready yet. The truly effective method is, before studying every day, give yourself 10 minutes of quiet time. No phone, no short videos, no music. Do nothing. At the beginning, you may feel extremely bored. You may even feel restless. But this actually shows your brain is recovering from a high stimulation state. Stage 2: Create anticipation. Many people struggle with learning because from the very beginning they think, learning is so painful. So the brain creates resistance in advance. Try changing this process. Before opening a book, spend 1 minute telling yourself, today, I will solve one problem. Today, I will understand one piece of knowledge. By the end of today, I will be a little stronger than I was at the beginning. When your brain starts looking forward to the result, taking action becomes easier. Stage 3: Build a new reward system. Learning does not rely on constantly forcing yourself. If every time you finish studying, you feel, finally, it's over, your brain will become more and more resistant. So you need to let your brain know. After effort, there can also be positive feedback. For example, after completing a task, go outside and walk for a few minutes. Drink a glass of water. Listen to a song you like. Let yourself feel. Being focused can also be something comfortable. Many people fail to change, not because the methods don't work. It is because they underestimate how much time habit change requires. Your brain spends years becoming used to fast stimulation. Of course, it cannot change in one day. But after sticking with it for a period of time, you will discover a change. In the past, picking up a book felt painful. Now, you can slowly enter a state of focus. Truly successful people are not people who have no temptations. They are people who have trained their brains, allowing their brains to prefer growth rather than temporary pleasure. So starting today, don't think about completely changing yourself. You only need to take on one small challenge. For 7 consecutive days, reduce a little meaningless stimulation every day. Give your brain a chance to adjust and reset. If this content has helped you, feel free to like and support it. Also, tell me in the comments, what is the one bad habit you most want to quit? Thanks for subscribing to the channel. See you in the next episode.